What, you're recording now, yeah? Yeah, right. Anyway, it's been a while since I did one of these videos, it was about 4 years ago, of how to get the side trim off these or a Rapier Fastback. Get one of these, bolster or chisel, a sharp one. Sharp as in so it's got a straight edge. And you just gently, don't be too greedy, just tap it gently. Sun's in the eyes that way. You work it, you end up with this tight bit on the corner. You just want There you go. If you try and twist it and pull it too much, then that bends and you can never get it back on again. But when you put them back on again, reverse that, crimp it on, and then you sort of like put a little nib in each corners and it will hold on. There, enjoy yourself.